Hello. Welcome to Machine Learning by Iron Man. Machine Learning. Introduction. In this thrilling story, we join Iron Man in his workshop as he explains the intricacies of machine learning algorithms and their various applications. The story highlights the power of machine learning to revolutionize the way we approach technology works. Let's get started. Iron Man was on a mission to develop the latest version of his armor, and he knew that machine learning algorithms were the key to making it happen. As he tinkered away in his workshop, he explained to his trusted AI, Jarvis, how machine learning algorithms work and their various applications. Machine learning algorithms are computer programs that can learn from data and improve over time, Iron Man explained. They are used to make predictions and decisions based on patterns and trends in large amounts of data. Jarvis nodded, processing the information.
What are some applications of machine learning, sir? He asked.
Well, for one, we can use machine learning algorithms to improve the accuracy of our targeting systems, Iron Man said, pulling up a diagram on his screen. By analyzing data on enemy movements and behaviors, we can train our systems to predict their next moves and adjust our weapons accordingly.
Jarvis was impressed. That's incredible, sir. What else can we use machine learning for? Iron Man smiled.
We can also use machine learning to enhance the user experience of our armor. By analyzing data on a user's movements and preferences, we can create a personalized experience that adapts to their needs and preferences.
Here are 7 steps of machine learning. 1. Gathering data. 2. Preparing that data. 3. Choosing a model. 4. Training. 5. Evaluation. 6. Hyperparameter tuning. And 7. Prediction. Jarvis asked, which language is best for machine learning? Python is hands down the best programming language for machine learning applications due to the various benefits.
There are 3 learning models for algorithms:
supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Jarvis nodded, processing the possibilities.
It seems that machine learning has many applications, sir.
I look forward to implementing these algorithms into our new armor design.
Iron Man grinned, feeling a sense of pride at his team's ability to harness the power of machine learning. As he continued to work on his latest creation, he knew that the possibilities were endless.
The end.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.
And always remember, data makes you rich.